All right, this is the conclusion of Design with Code. If you've been following along, congratulations. And if you're new here, the full course is available for free on designwithcode.dev. So you did it. I want to take a moment to actually acknowledge what you've accomplished, because it's easy to underestimate. You set up a professional development environment from scratch, the same tools that professional developers use in large companies. Then you created 2 projects. You've built a portfolio website and you've built a weather app with the home screen, the location page, icons, animations. Then you also learned how to use all the typical developer toolkit like Git and Terminal and hosting services. You learned the fundamentals of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and components. You connected to a real API and displayed live data. You created a custom SVG icon, you added gradients, shadows, you built animations, and then you took all of it, all this understanding and learning to empower how you work with AI and to work with AI tools, not just by prompting and hoping, but by directing, reviewing, and refining with intention. Most designers never get here, but you did. So now let me put it in practical terms. You can now open any code base and understand the shape of it. Not every line, but definitely the structure. What's a component? What's a page? Where the data comes from? How the styling works? You can navigate. You can work in code editor without feeling lost. You know what the terminal does. You know what Git does. You know what happens when you push to GitHub. You can use AI tools with intention, not just hope. You know what you're asking for. You know what to look for in the output. And you know when something needs to be refined and when to start from scratch. Also, at this point, you can have a real conversation with engineers about implementation, not because you can build everything they can, but because you understand what they work with and you speak a similar language. Now you can prototype in the actual medium that products ship in, not a Figma mockup that approximates the experience, but the real thing with real data, real interactions, and real constraints. And remember, this is just a foundation. This is not a finish line. The more you use these skills, the more natural they become. The first time you open a terminal, it's scary. The 20th time you do it, it's just normal. The first time that you read a React component, it's confusing. The 20th time that you do it, you immediately see the structure. So keep building. Keep building side projects, keep contributing, keep working with developers, make experiments, prototypes. Every project makes you faster and more confident. And AI tools, they will definitely keep evolving. New models, new capabilities, new workflows. And I wouldn't be surprised if some of the things that I said in this course will be obsolete in a month from now. That happens. But a lot of the core knowledge will definitely remain the same. And here's the thing, your understanding of those core concepts, of this core knowledge, this will make all the future advancements, all the future developments of the industry easier for you to follow, easier for you to tag along, and easier for you to adapt. So stay curious, try new things, read changelogs, break things and fix them. And the last thing I want to say is thank you. Thank you for going through this course. I genuinely believe that understanding code is one of the most valuable skills a designer can have right now, and it will only become more valuable as AI keeps evolving. I would love to see what you build. Share your portfolio with me, share the links for what you've made within this course. And if you found this course useful, share it with a designer that might benefit from it. Everything that you see here is free at designwithcode.dev. Good luck and have fun.